Welcome to this comprehensive guide on Figma versus Canva, where we will explore the key differences between these two popular design tools and help you decide which one is best for you. First, let's start with Figma, a powerful design tool used primarily for user interface and user experience design. Figma is a cloud-based platform that allows real-time collaboration, making it an ideal choice for teams and businesses. It offers advanced features such as vector editing, prototyping, and design systems, making it a go-to tool for professional designers. On the other hand, Canva is a graphic design platform that is geared towards non-designers and small businesses. It offers a wide range of templates, drag-and-drop functionality, and a user-friendly interface, making it easy to create social media graphics, presentations, and other visual content. Canva is also cloud-based and allows collaboration, but its features are more limited compared to Figma. When it comes to pricing, Figma offers a free plan with limited features, as well as several paid plans that cater to different needs and budgets. Canva also offers a free plan, as well as several paid plans, including a premium plan that unlocks advanced features. So, which one is best for you? If you are a professional designer or a business that requires advanced design features and real-time collaboration, Figma is the way to go. However, if you are a non-designer or a small business that needs to create visual content quickly and easily, Canva is a great choice. In terms of learning curve, Canva is generally easier to use, especially for those who are new to design. Figma, on the other hand, requires more design knowledge and experience, but offers more advanced features and customization options. Ultimately, the choice between Figma and Canva depends on your specific needs and goals. If you need a powerful design tool for complex projects, Figma is the best choice. But if you need a simple and easy-to-use tool for creating visual content, Canva is the way to go. By understanding the key differences between these two design tools, you can make an informed decision and choose the one that best fits your needs.